guys, the best thing about this library is not only the library but the outside view. As you can see, this is the portrait of Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi ji. So you can see the portrait from the library itself. There are some other great leaders as well, Martin Luther King and many more in this area. And from the library you can view that. How awesome is that, right? Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Swati. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, today I'm gonna do something special. As I'm sitting at one of my favorite spots, I'm gonna show you my library, which is right here. As you can see, such a beautiful building that I'm gonna show you today. As you all know, I'm a Fresno State graduate. I'm here in Fresno, so I decided to come to the library today to work. And I decided to make this vlog and show you bits and pieces of my library. Before I show you the library, this is the overview of my campus. There is a fountain right there, which I'm gonna show you later on. Here is the library. Look at this beauty. How beautiful it is. It's a glass building and I hope you like it. So let's get started without taking much of your time. So this is the Fresno State Library and it is one of the largest library among all CSUs. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. Again, there is the fountain. As we go along the way, here is the library. Something is going on. So now I'm just gonna enter the library. It's so big. Oh my god, I can smell that library smell. Ooh. The total has like 4 floors. So this is the first floor. As you can see, that stair takes you to the second and the third floor. And this is the ground floor. That is the entrance. Now we have entered the library. This is the ground floor. It's a very big library. There's some sitting space where students can sit and study. There are some books and all. There is some printing machine over there. There is circulation where you can rent like laptops and camera. There is a printer over there where you can get the printouts. And this is the elevator. First we will go to second floor. The second floor is like that. There is a sitting area. So we are on the second floor of the library. We are supposed to wear masks. That's why I'm wearing one. The best part about second floor is that there is a... Let me show you. So there is a Starbucks on this floor where you can have coffee if you feel sleepy while studying. And you can sit in one of these areas and just enjoy. And you know what? From this point, you can see the whole campus. Honestly, look at this. Oh my god. And there is the Starbucks. So this is the second floor. We'll be going to third floor pretty soon. That's my favorite floor because I used to sit there to study most of the time. And that's the most talkative floor ever. And I forgot to tell you, one of the special things about this library is that there are these individual rooms where you can, if you want to study very hard, you can just come inside these individual rooms and study here. So we are still on second floor. The other part is there. That is the quiet room where you're not supposed to talk. So I'm not gonna go there. I'm just gonna show you from here. So that's the quiet part. That's the ground floor we came from. That's second floor. Now these are the individual rooms where you're like study individually. Some people believe in individual studies and some believe in group studies. So there are some group study rooms as well. Those are the ones, that glass thing. But I like individual studies. So now we will be heading to third floor. Bye, second floor. This third floor, I have like so many memories. I used to sit here all the time. People are just gonna stare because I'm recording it. Let me just show you the third floor. It's totally open. You can chat whatever you want. You can just do whatever you want. This is the third floor. There are some private rooms as well. So I actually used to sit there most of the time with my friends. There are some individual rooms here as well on this floor where you can do your individual study. There are some seats with laptops, like computers as well. If you don't have a laptop, you can just come here and do your assignment. That's good. I don't think these books are of any use to us, but yeah, they have been here because it's a library at the end of the day. These are the washrooms. Ha ha ha. You know what? Where I used to sit on this floor, I used to sit here with my friends, how much ever I had. So I'm gonna show you that place. I used to sit right here. I used to see everything, who is coming in, who is going out. It actually feels surreal to be sitting here today because I used to come here and study, and today I have come here to work. Let's work. But yeah, it feels good. So that was my favorite sitting spot in the library. This is one of the group study room that like 4 to 5 people, maybe more than that, can sit here and work on their group project. Now I'm taking you all to the underground floor. Let's go. This floor is more relaxing, and if you feel like sleeping, I don't think it's possible to study here. As you can see, a lot of people are already sleeping. So if you feel like sleeping, you can come down to this floor and just sleep nicely because there are so many sofas. See, people are just sleeping here. They'll kill me if they get to know that I'm capturing it. See, there are so many comfortable spots. I'm speaking a little slow because I don't think it's possible to speak very loudly here. So I'm sitting here at the ground floor, which is where a lot of people, when you need like a lot of silence and you don't feel like sleeping, you can just come down to this floor and relax a bit. Something special. I'm gonna ask a couple of students here randomly, like what do they think about this university? What do they think about this library in particular? Because it's a very amazing library and I just love coming here, and I'm very grateful that I got a chance again to come here to the library and study. Not study, actually to work, but I'm gonna ask some students. Let's do it. What's the best thing about this library?
Definitely all the tables and everyone's like so nice in there.
Yeah.
And if you need help, you can just ask anybody and they'll help you out.
That's correct. So what's the best thing about this library that you love?
My favorite part of the library is like the third floor, all the way in the corner.
Oh,
There's
that's
just
my
this-
favorite too.
Oh, it's the quietest room there. Best place to
So that was actually crazy. I asked a couple of students like what do they think about the library and what do they like most about it, and most of them said that they are very respectful. People are very respectful in the library and they are ready to help each other, which is a great thing. And also it's a very, very spacious library, so a lot of people like the infrastructure. So this is the beautiful fountain that I was talking about. It is right here. It has like different lights in the night time, so it looks more beautiful. But I used to come here, click pictures and just post it on FB. So that's the library. That's the fountain. For me, actually, this is the best part about the campus. I feel this is one of the most beautiful things. This lane and this fountain is just so beautiful. I hope you liked the brief library tour that I just gave you. If you want me to tour the whole campus and library inside out, comment down below. I'm gonna do that. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye until then.